Imagine waking up in the morning and hearing the soft chirping of birds, the gentle hum of the coffee maker, or the voice of a loved one saying, "Good morning." For many people with hearing loss, these moments fade over time, but they don't have to. Hearing loss is an invisible disability. Unlike wearing eyeglasses, which people recognize as a sign of vision impairment, hearing loss often goes unnoticed until it starts affecting relationships, work, and social life. If you don't respond to someone because you didn't hear them, they may think you're ignoring them. If you misinterpret what's said, it can lead to misunderstandings, frustration, and even embarrassment. It's not just the person with hearing loss who is affected. Family and friends feel it too. Conversations become one-sided when someone constantly has to repeat themselves. Over time, this can lead to frustration and, unfortunately, distance. Some people may even avoid socializing with someone in denial about their hearing loss because the effort to communicate feels exhausting. At work, hearing loss can make it harder to follow meetings, participate in discussions, or hear instructions clearly. This can impact confidence, job performance, and even career opportunities. Many people start withdrawing, feeling isolated or missing out on important moments because they don't want to admit they're struggling. But it doesn't have to be that way. Hearing aids can bring those moments back, allowing you to reconnect with the world around you. The connection between hearing loss and the brain. The longer hearing loss goes untreated, the harder it is for the brain to process sound. Hearing happens in the ears, but understanding happens in the brain. If the brain isn't receiving sound input for a long period of time, it starts to lose its ability to interpret speech properly. This is why some people get hearing aids and say, "I can hear the sound, but I can't understand the words." The issue isn't the hearing aids, it's the brain's ability to process the sound after years of deprivation. Hearing aids are sophisticated devices. They amplify the specific frequencies you need help with, making sound clearer. But once the sound reaches the brain, it's up to the brain to process it. Hearing aids can't fix what the brain has forgotten how to do. This is why early intervention is so important. Wearing hearing aids sooner helps keep the brain engaged and able to process speech more effectively. How hearing aids improve daily life. With hearing aids, conversations become effortless. You don't have to strain to hear, ask people to repeat themselves, or pretend to understand. You can truly engage and enjoy meaningful connections again. Making friends and maintaining relationships become easier when hearing loss isn't a barrier. Instead of feeling left out or overwhelmed in group settings, you can be present and confident. Whether it's watching TV at a normal volume, listening to your favorite music, or hearing every word in a movie, hearing aids bring back the joy of entertainment. Hearing aids help you stay aware of your surroundings, whether it's hearing approaching traffic, a smoke alarm, or a loved one calling your name. Studies show that untreated hearing loss is linked to cognitive decline. By wearing hearing aids, you're not just improving your hearing, you're also supporting brain function and overall well-being. Take the first step. Hearing well means living well. If you've noticed changes in your hearing, don't wait. The sooner you address hearing loss, the easier it is to adjust and improve your quality of life. And if you're ready to learn more about hearing aids, check out this video about the 5 key questions to ask before buying hearing aids.